We laugh beneath the summer blue. Our stories feel like something new.